Hello guys, this is Sharon and today I am going to show you how to make a table runner using this pretty Pansie granny square motif flower, and you're gonna need 16 pieces of this one. Now I have a previous video that will teach you how to make this granny square motif, and I'm going to put the link below so that you can follow along. So after making 16 pieces of the grand square motif, you need to place it on the surface so that you know where you're going to join all the pieces together. And this is the pattern that I chose in order to finish this table runner. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to join the two pieces together first. So you're going to make a slip knot. I'm using a 5 or number 5 crochet hook and two wrong sides together. I'm going to work on the corner, and I'm going to join the two stitches together by working a single crochet stitch. So I will catch both loops of both sides or both edges in order to join them. This is one of the two ways you can join the granny square together. I'm making my first single crochet, and then onto the next stitches of both edges I'm going to work another single crochet, and then I will keep on working one single crochet on both stitches until I reach the other corner. So this is the second way on how to join the two granny squares. You're just simply going to put the wrong sides facing each other, and then that's when you're going to work a single crochet across both edges. Next is I'm going to join the next two sets of granny square motif, making sure that I am working a single crochet on both of the corners. Make sure they're in line, and then you're just simply going to continue working one single crochet on both edges across. Next is I'm going to join these two pairs of granny square motif. So I'm going to work in a zigzag position until I get to the other end. So once I get to this end, I'm going to fasten it off and gonna start working from here in a zigzag position as well until I get to the other end. So this is what it looks like after joining in a zigzag position. So once you get there, you don't fasten off, you're still going to continue working one single crochet in each stitch until you get back to the same starting point. So to start this one, you are just going to work a single crochet in every stitch. So once you get to the corner, the 3 single crochets there, you're just simply going to work a single crochet, chain 3, and then in the next stitch you're going to work a single crochet and then chain 6. After chaining 6, you're then going to work a single crochet in the next and then chain 3 and then 1 single crochet across in each stitch until you get to the next corner again where you're going to place this one. But this is optional as well. You don't need to do this one if you don't like it. You can just simply work 1 in each stitch across until you get back around to the starting point. So once you get to this corner, you're just simply going to work a slip stitch, and then in the next available stitch of the next granny square, you're just going to simply work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. So once you get back around, you're just simply going to work the last single crochet and then slip stitch onto the corner, and then you can just simply fasten off. And don't forget to weave in the ends after. So this is how it looks like so far. So there you go, you now have a table runner. You can also attach tassels on both ends to make it more attractive. And this is just a very simple table runner. It's very easy to do, and I hope you make one too. Thank you so much, and like, comment, and subscribe.